Want to see the future of cooking in action? These futuristic Amazon kitchen gadgets are built to save time, boost efficiency, and make meal prep more exciting than ever. From smart tools to high-tech innovations, they'll completely transform your kitchen. All product links are in the description below. Toasting just got smarter. This sleek toaster comes with a vivid 4.5-inch color touchscreen that shows lifelike images of bread, bagels, and waffles so you can pick your perfect shade every time. Extra wide slots and self-centering guides ensure even crisping, whether it's fresh or frozen. With 10 bread types, 6 browning levels, and smart heat control, you get golden results tailored to your taste. Stainless steel styling adds a modern touch, making it as beautiful as it is powerful. Peeling doesn't have to be a chore. This 2-piece peeler set makes quick work of fruits and veggies with sharp stainless steel blades that glide through skins like butter. One has a smooth blade, the other serrated, perfect for everything from apples to zucchini. The anti-slip handles feel comfy in your hand, even after a full prep session. Simple, sharp, and ready to slice your kitchen time in half. Slicing peppers shouldn't feel like surgery. This clever 2-in-1 corer makes it fast and easy to prep bell peppers, fruits, and more without the mess. Just twist, pull, and the seeds and stems are out in seconds. Its sharp edges glide smoothly through tough skins, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're stuffing, sautéing, or snacking, this tool makes prep work feel like a breeze. Snacking on pistachios just got way more entertaining. Instead of wrestling with tough shells, this little gadget pops them open in seconds. The hand crank makes it easy for kids and adults alike, and the anti-slip base keeps everything steady. It even filters out the shells, so you're left with clean, ready-to-eat nuts without the mess. Say goodbye to weak squeezes and wasted juice. This 2-in-1 hand juicer gets every last drop out of lemons, limes, and even small oranges. Just place your fruit inside, press down, and watch fresh juice flow while seeds and pulp stay behind. It's sturdy, simple to use, and small enough to store anywhere. Cleanup takes seconds, making it the easiest way to add a zesty kick to your drinks or meals. Think of this as a mop, but pocket-sized. The sponge head grabs dust, crumbs, and water spots instantly, then squeezes clean with a simple pull. No buckets or hands-on wringing. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or even car dashboards. It's lightweight, compact, and always ready for quick cleanups. Small tool, big help when mess shows up. Warm soda in the summer? Not anymore. This rapid cooling cup chills your drink in minutes, up to 4 times faster than a fridge. Just pour your beverage inside or place the can or bottle directly into the cup. The aluminum chamber conducts cold quickly, keeping every sip refreshingly icy. Portable and compact, it's perfect for desks, dorms, or travel. Love chewable, crunchy ice? This countertop Nugget Ice maker delivers it fresh in just minutes. It can crank out up to 44 pounds a day, so you'll never run out for parties, drinks, or daily use. Just press a button and watch it work. The clear window even lights up so you can see the ice forming. It even cleans itself with a built-in self-cleaning cycle. Compact, powerful, and always ready for your next drink. Washing dishes doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This compact countertop dishwasher fits right on your counter and even has its own built-in water tank, so no complicated installation is needed. You get 5 different wash programs, including a special baby care mode that uses high-temperature cleaning for bottles and delicate items. After washing, It automatically air dries and keeps dishes fresh for days. Running out of space to dry your laundry? This clever rack hooks right onto your window frame and gives you 8 sturdy holes for hanging clothes. It's made of stainless steel and ABS, so it's lightweight but strong enough to hold a full load. When you're done, just unhook it and tuck it away. Perfect for small apartments or travel. No tools, no hassle, just instant drying space wherever you need it. Who knew a trash can could actually look stylish? This one has 2 compartments, so you can toss trash on one side and recyclables on the other without mixing things up. Just step on the pedals and the lids open like magic. No messy hands required. The lids close softly, keeping your kitchen quiet. With removable buckets inside, cleanup is effortless and quick. Breakfast in bed, working on the couch, or reading on the floor, this adjustable laptop table makes it all easier. The large surface fits your laptop and mouse, plus it has a built-in groove for tablets and a drawer for small essentials. You can tilt the top to your perfect angle and raise it to 5 different heights. When you're done, just fold the legs and tuck it away. Why buy endless bottles when you can make sparkling water right at home? With a pull of the lever, this machine turns plain tap water into fizzy perfection in seconds. You can enjoy it plain or mix in flavors to create your own drinks. Each CO2 cylinder makes gallons of bubbly water, cutting down on plastic waste. Sleek, simple, and fun. It's hydration made exciting. Stay cool without the noise. This oscillating table fan uses an energy-saving DC motor that delivers strong airflow while keeping power costs low. With 10 speed settings, a pivoting head, and 2 oscillation modes, you can direct the breeze exactly where you need it. The included remote makes adjusting easy from across the room. Quiet, efficient, and versatile, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space that needs fresh air. Tiny counter space? No problem. This telescopic oversing organizer adjusts to fit your sink and instantly gives you a neat little station for sponges, scrubbers, and even your kitchen towel. It drains directly into the sink, keeping your countertop dry, and doubles as a mini colander too. Lightweight but sturdy, it's an easy fix for cluttered sinks, especially when every inch of space counts. Makeup brushes shouldn't be a pain to clean, and now they're not. This 3-in-1 electric cleaner scrubs, spins, and dries your brushes with the push of a button. Just pop in your tools, and it deep cleans every bristle in minutes. No more endless rinsing or sore hands. It's compact, USB powered, and perfect for beauty lovers who want flawless results without the mess. Clean brushes, happy skin. Dragging heavy appliances is officially a thing of the past. This adjustable dolly cart slips under your fridge, washer, or dryer and lets you roll it around with zero effort. The twin swivel wheels lock in place, so once it's where you want it, it stays put. Built with tough PVC and steel, it holds up to 400 pounds. Assembly takes minutes, no tools, no team required. Just roll, lock, and relax. Grating cheese by hand? Time to upgrade. This electric rotary grater does all the slicing, shredding, and chopping for you with just the push of a button. It comes with 3 interchangeable blades and a wide chute that handles everything from hard cheese to cucumbers. The built-in drawer stores both your blades and your freshly grated food. No extra bowls needed. It's fast, quiet, and makes meal prep way easier. Turn your home into a spa with this sleek mini fragrance diffuser. It connects to Wi-Fi so you can control it from an app or even with voice commands. Choose your scent strength, set schedules, and enjoy a steady aroma that lasts for hours without fading. The included citrus refill adds a fresh, uplifting vibe with notes of lemon and verbena. Plus, it's safe for kids, pets, and everyday use. Pure water at the push of a button. This countertop reverse osmosis system uses a 7-stage process with UV light and remineralization to remove impurities while adding back healthy minerals. No plumbing needed, just fill it up and enjoy clean, great-tasting water in minutes. The smart display shows filter life and water quality in real time. Plus, the included glass carafe even lets you make refreshing fruit-infused water right at home. Time travel for your desk? Almost. This retro flip clock brings back the charm of old-school mechanics with a modern twist. Each minute, the cards flip down with a smooth motion and a soft tick. Big, bold numbers make it easy to read, even from across the room. Quiet, accurate, and stylish. It's more than a clock. It's a statement piece for your home or office. No more sawing through tomatoes with a blunt knife. This little tool has 4 sharpening stages, so whether it's your chef's knife, paring knife, or even scissors, it's covered. The rubber grip keeps it secure on the counter, and the handle gives you full control. It's simple, safe, and makes every cut smooth again. Just a few swipes, and you're good to go. Snacking just got a serious upgrade. This divided tray keeps all your favorite treats, like fruits, nuts, candies, or charcuterie, neatly organized and ready to serve. The clear lid lets you see what's inside, while the sturdy handle makes it easy to take anywhere, from parties to picnics. No mess, no mixing, just perfectly arranged bites. It's a portable platter that makes entertaining effortless. Making rice balls has never been this fun, or this easy. Just scoop in some cooked rice, snap on the lid, and give it a shake. Out pop 3 perfectly shaped little rice balls. No sticky fingers, no mess. Kids love the playful design, and you'll love how quick it is. Great for lunchboxes, parties, or even road trips. This compact mold brings DIY sushi fun wherever you go. Dinner plans don't have to wait on frozen meat. This 4-in-1 kitchen board speeds up thawing without microwaves or water. Just place your meat on the surface and let it work its magic. While you wait, sharpen your knife, grate some garlic, or prep veggies on the built-in cutting board. Non-slip and dishwasher safe. It keeps things tidy and efficient. One board, 4 smart tools, 0 hassle. Back scrubbing just leveled up. This wall-mounted electric brush spins, exfoliates, and massages, all while you stand and relax in the shower. Its wide, 360-degree rotating head covers more skin in less time, and the adjustable track lets you move it up or down to hit every hard-to-reach spot. It's waterproof, detachable for charging, and easy to install. Finally, deep cleansing that feels more like a spa than a stretch. Tired of fighting with floppy tape measures? This clever gadget rolls smoothly over flat, curved, or even bumpy surfaces and tells you the length instantly on a bright LCD screen. You can measure fabric, furniture, or even cylinder shapes without a struggle. It remembers your last 10 measurements, so you don't need to scribble them down. Tiny in size, but it can handle up to 324 feet with precision. Washing fruit shouldn't leave your counter soaked. This 2-in-1 drain basket lets you rinse, strain, and store, all in one neat container. The built-in strainer drains water quickly, while the lid locks in freshness, whether you're tossing it in the fridge or packing it for a picnic. It's made from sturdy, food-safe plastic, and even has a hidden handle for mess-free pouring. Compact, smart, and ready for everyday use.